Hi there, students. In this video I want to look at the structure so adjective a noun that blah 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 blah, or you need a subsequent bit. Let's see. This is such a fast car. Okay. I have never driven such a fast car. This car is so fast. I have never driven so fast a car. So, fast, here an adjective, a car, noun. So fast a car should be driven by a professional. Okay, this is such a beautiful place. This place is so beautiful that it ought to be a protected area. So beautiful a place is this that it should be a protected area. So notice, this is so beautiful a place that it should be protected. And when I put it at the beginning of the sentence, we also get an inversion. Yeah, this is hard grammar. This is pure C2 grammar. This is so beautiful a place. So beautiful a place is this. He's such a good scientist that he should be given a Nobel Prize. He is so good a scientist that he should be given a Nobel Prize. Okay, he is so good, adjective, a scientist. So good a scientist is he that he should be given a Nobel Prize. This restaurant makes such good roast beef. This restaurant makes so good a roast beef that they ought to be awarded 3 Michelin stars. So good a roast beef do this restaurant make that they should be given a Michelin star. Okay, so you've got two complex structures working together with this inversion. Firstly, we've got so adjective a noun. And I think it normally needs, so it's going to need to be countable and singular. And then you've got the inversion as well. He is such a skilled footballer. He's such a skilled football player. He is so skilled a football player that he should play for a professional team. So skilled a football player is he, inversion, that he should play for a professional team. So, now the next question. When should you use this? This is literary writing. These are literary devices. I think so good a footballer is he that he should play for a professional team. This is not something I would say in an informal conversation. I might say it during a presentation or some sort of formal speaking. But this structure, I would strongly recommend you use it in your writing, in your exam writings. Let's see, if you use this phrase, so good a footballer is he that he should play for a professional team, in your CPE writing, and get it right, then the examiners are going to be very impressed. Yeah, so good a student of English is this that I have to give him a good mark. So I would use this for formal writing, for literary writing. Don't use this informally because it's going to sound out of place. I have such loyal supporters. I have so loyal supporters. No, because they're plural. I have so loyal a support that I am very lucky. Okay, so adjective, a countable noun in the singular. And then if you put that at the beginning, you get an inversion as well. So beautiful a place is this that it should be protected. So fast a car should be driven by a professional. Okay. So good a roast beef does this restaurant make that they deserve 3 Michelin stars. So, complex C2 writing grammar. If you can use it and get it right, it's going to sound great. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. So, adjective, a noun, plus an inversion if it's at the beginning of the sentence. Bye for now.